If you're like me and you love a Starbucks sweet cream vanilla cold brew with that foam on top, this is a little hack of how to make it at home and a bit healthier with a nice protein boost. So I'm gonna show you quickly how I make this. It does not take a long time at all. I'm not a baker. I just kind of eyeball it. There is no specific measurements. So let's follow along. We'll quickly do this. So first of all, I do about a tablespoon to 2 just by the eye with the Marine Vital Proteins. I actually love this. So it's collagen. This one is like the one with the fish. So if that freaks you out, you could totally, pick a different one. So like I said, I'm not doing a ton. It's really just a little protein boost. I'm not using this as like a meal replacement. So we've got that. Okay, then I'm using some cocoa powder. So this is just plain cocoa powder from Trader Joe's. So kind of like mocha. So, you could use also like vanilla extract if you don't like the mocha flavor, nothing at all. Then I've got this awesome honey. This is raw organic honey. We know there are a ton of benefits that honey gives us. Plus it's a sweetener and we love that. Especially if you like sweet cream vanilla cold brew or any of those cold brew foams at Starbucks. So I do like, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon. You know what, honestly, I always add more, so I might as well do it now. And then any milk of your choice. Today I have almond milk. Sometimes I use coconut milk. This is just Trader Joe's almond milk. So shake it up, pour it in there. Like I said, I'm eyeballing it. Sometimes it's not great. I poured it in there till it looked like, fully submersed. Is that how we would say it? I guess. I'm gonna give a little stir. Okay, now I'm gonna heat it up. Remember if you did do the cocoa powder, if you heat it up for too long, you burn the cocoa powder. So you wanna heat and stir. Okay, so I'm gonna go do that. So I would say it's perfect. It took about 30 seconds. It just needs to get a good stir. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my cup. Because I'm not doing hot coffee, I'm gonna go with this guy and do some ice. Okay, so honestly, I usually am in more of a rush and I have not more prepared where I would have probably made this and chilled it. So what you would do is you can put this guy with ice in the bigger cup, let it cool down really quick, and then drain the ice. And then you'll need more ice for your coffee. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna go over the sink so that this isn't a complete disaster. So I'm giving it a stir, and then I'm gonna, in such a fancy way, pull the ice out. And then I'm gonna use new ice. We are to the final stages. We've got our creamer, our coffee. I'm gonna add more ice real quick. I also just grabbed a cold brew can from Trader Joe's. I promise this is not endorsed by Trader Joe's at all. That's just where I went. So that's what I have. Okay, so we'll put that in, and then I'm gonna put this in. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. So there you go, there you have it. This is literally what I've been doing all of this year. And just kind of do it by taste once you try this. If it's not sweet enough, add more of that. This is amazing how it's unflavored. I don't even get how you can't taste it, but you really can't. And I'm not just saying that. So guys, cheers and off to work.